Guys, check this out. I have a new windshield finally. No more crack here. It's a brand new windshield. Everything on my car has now been fixed. Or has it? The next thing on my BMW has broken. It took all of a day after I got my windshield replaced for the next thing to break on my car. Guys, this car is killing me at this point. Like, things are just starting to go left and right. Now, I didn't expect this thing to break, of all things. And I did some research, and apparently it's common enough that people have reported this happening, but it's not a very common thing. So it's just kind of crap luck that it actually happened. And I happen to be sitting right on it. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So the seat is actually completely fine. There's no issues with the seat, but right under the seat is where the subwoofer is for the BMW M2. My subwoofer has died. Now, initially, I heard a noise coming from right about here-ish, and I couldn't figure out what that noise actually was. It was like a weird rattle, and my bass was off, and I just didn't put two and two together. So I did a little research, and I didn't really find anything as far as rattles go. So then I'm like, well, my bass isn't working quite right, and it just sounds like everything's just rattling. So I'm like, well, let me look up if there's any issues with the bass on the BMW M2. And it turns out the subwoofer is right under the seat. So that kind of solves all the mystery about why everything in this area is rattling and why I have no bass. Now, I can't really show you guys because copyright issues and because I'm actually recording this on my phone, so I can't really play anything in the car. So I can't really demonstrate for you guys. But trust me, it sounds like those old Hondas that you see driving around where every panel is just rattling. So right here, right between my legs, the subwoofer has failed. So now that my windshield is replaced, I have to get that fixed. Now, I did just spend $120 on a windshield cowl, which is this piece right here. So I've already made a video talking about that piece, basically how that's kind of rubber and cracked and how I plan to replace it. So I have ordered that part. That is now on the way. But now I have to start planning what I'm gonna do with this subwoofer, because I have two options. Option one, I can replace the subwoofer and just call it a day. Just buy a BMW one, replace it, that's it. Option number two, I can upgrade my sound system. So the BMW M2 has the Harman Kardon system, which some people complain about, some people rave about. I think it's fine. I don't really have any issues with it. But the opportunity kind of presented itself to upgrade. Now, I don't know if I'm going to upgrade all the systems in the car, all the speakers and everything. I might just upgrade the subwoofers. Now, as far as I know, there should only be two of them. The one under the driver's seat and under the passenger seat. It's an easy DIY. You just unbolt the seat, unbolt the subwoofer, replace it, and just reverse. It's pretty easy. So that's something I'm probably going to do DIY. Now, the shop that installed my dash cam, which you see right here, phenomenal shop, I'm going to reach out to them and see, just out of curiosity, right? Because they do sound systems, how much would it be just to upgrade everything? Just what do you have to upgrade everything? Like, how much would it cost? What is the cost of just the subwoofers? And we'll go from there. But most likely, I'm probably just going to replace the subwoofers and call it a day. But yeah, I just thought I'd give you guys this